have probably one of the most special Datsuns I've ever come across. Now, this is a Datsun 280Z 2+2, and as you can tell, it's one of the coolest looking Datsuns you can possibly ever find on the road. And I don't even remember how the heck I met the owner. It doesn't even ring a bell. How did we meet again? Car meet, I think. Yeah, I found him at a car meet, and I was automatically attracted to the car because I've really never seen a Datsun, or pretty much any car in general, quite like this one. Enough of me talking here. Let's kind of walk around this car. So this is probably one of the most tactile cars you'll ever see. You just want to touch it. Now, this is a wrap, but the level of detail that went into this wrap, in my opinion, is incredible. And the coolest part about it too is that it was all custom designed, and he had it done essentially the exact way he wanted it to be done, and whoever installed it did it to an absolute T. Pretty much, I haven't even found a single area where there's any of the wrap that's lifting or anything. It's just done super well. Now, the modification list on this car is absolutely insane. So I'd be here for a very long time if I were to list off everything. So I'm going to put a description of all of the modifications at the bottom, or in the description part of this video, so you can check out all of that stuff. But the obvious parts. So this is an RB25. He got it swapped in there, and it's making 360 horsepower to the rear wheels and 318 pound-feet of torque. So absolutely extremely perfect for a car really that weighs the way this one does. So he's got that under the hood. The interior, as you could tell from a couple of the shots here, is pretty much impeccable, really. He's done these really nice designs to the door cards. I think they look really good. He does have a couple skillered parts for all you Datsun guys. You've probably noticed, like the door handles, but you know, this piece I've never seen before, and I think it looks really good. He's also got these plates at the bottom, which I think tie everything in super nicely. So he did a great job there. But pretty much everything you see here has been upgraded, refurbished, reconditioned, or completely modified. So yeah, it's absolutely incredible. Yeah, someone over there who's wondering if there's a buyer for the car, but Rich said no, he's gonna keep it. But anyway, he's got a 240Z steering wheel, which in my opinion looks fantastic. I absolutely love it. I have that on my car as well. He's got a skillered shift knob. He's done a really good job with this center console area. He's got all upgraded gauges there. He changed up the climate control. He's even got a push button start, which I thought was pretty freaking badass in my opinion. Headliner looks really good. That's also custom made as well. These seats, I'm pretty sure these ones were from a 240, and I think they look really awesome, especially with those little dimples or whatever you would like to call that. But yeah, interior wise, looks super great. But yeah, just overall, it's the video really can't do it justice. But we're gonna take a look under the hood here. So let's see what a lot of you guys are interested in seeing. Absolutely gorgeous engine bay. Everything is it's pretty much customized to the absolute T. And this car has been completely restored. So top to bottom, anything you can think of is pretty much done to it. And yeah, it's pretty much a masterpiece. The level of detail that he went to, even little things like that, not too many people would think of. He's got that in this car. So hats off to him. He's done an incredible job. Lots of custom pieces here, like this, for example. You've got the Japanese rising sun flag, which again fits the theme of the car. You've got that faded look. It looks super good. And if you happen to live in Alberta, where I'm from, recommend you try and see this in person, because it really, the video just won't do it justice. So again, the specs to the engine and the power figures, that's gonna all be in the description, so you can definitely check that out if this is something that would interest you and if you have a Datsun and would like to do similar things. Aside from that, what else can I think of here? These wheels look excellent. So these are some Rota wheels. He's also got this Fairlady Z sticker going on all of the wheels, which I think, again, another great touch, and it looks really, really good. Carbon fiber fenders, which in my opinion, based on the way the car's sitting right now, it ties it all in really nicely. Yeah, I just learned something. See, another thing. So I was looking at that, I'm like, wait, hold on a second. I thought the gas cap was on the right side. Well, it is on the right side, but he had it relocated on the left side. So another thing, as you can tell, everything has been done. And just a little peek of the bottom part here. Really, really impeccable job. Mine is definitely not looking like this. But again, it's like the amount of time and effort and thought all the way to the dat ass, which I found really funny. And clever is it's you gotta tip your hat off to him. 5 years. 5 years. So if you think that you can get your Datsun up and running in 3 months to look like this, that's probably not going to happen. 5 years it took for this build to get to where it is today. But I mean, those 5 years paid off because it looks absolutely impeccable. Okay, so short video for you guys. Well, short-ish, but those flybys definitely sounded pretty freaking awesome. Please go show some love to the owner of this car. His Instagram is going to be right here, so please go and follow him. He's done an incredible job, as you could tell, with this car, and honestly, if I were to go over every single thing, we'd be here for an hour. But overall, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a thumbs up and let us know what your thoughts are on this build. It's definitely one of the coolest builds I've ever seen, and probably you have seen up to now too, especially in the Datsun market. So anyhow, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.